Hi, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at how you can authorize Glint to integrate with cloud providers such as GitHub and what the benefits of doing this bring. So to get started with this, you need to click on the settings icon in the top right of Glint, make sure you're on the general tab, and then there's an integration section here. You just click on the plus and choose the provider that you want to integrate with. In this case I'm going to choose GitHub, and this will open up your web browser to authorize, and you just click to authorize. And then you should get a pop-up like this saying open Glint, and if you click that it should take you to Glint and add the connection in there. If that isn't working, you can just copy this authorization code or click the button to copy the code and then paste it into Glint and it will do the same thing. So once you have something showing up here, that means that you have an integration set up. And the benefits of this is it makes it easier to clone things. So if you go on clone, you now have this drop down and you can choose your repository here to clone, and it will kind of pre-fill things. And you can see here it's also added a credential that I can use to pull stuff and interact with the remote. And you also have unlocked a tab here. When you create a repository, you can put the name in and it will put it onto GitHub or whatever cloud provider you're using. If you want to remove this integration, you just go to settings again and just click on the bin icon. And you could also go to GitHub in your web browser, and if you look in your settings there, you scroll down and find applications and then authorize OAuth apps, and there you'll see Glint is in there, so you can revoke the access here. It's also worth noting, if you have access to an organization, you may need to allow that organization access here. There sometimes will be a button to provide access to the organization or to request access here, which you might need to do.